to the song launch from Kubera, releasing on 20th this month. आवाज आवाज माइक खराब है मेरी आवाज ही खराब होगी Could I get some volume on my mic? Thank you very much. बहुत आवाज होने वाली है because we have some heavyweights जिनको हम देख के उनके प्यार में पड़ गए हैं. Kubera releasing on the 20th this month. शेखर कम्मुमुल्ला के सरनेम में मैं देख रही हूँ अगर लिटरल ट्रांसलेशन करें तो कम मूला बट एक्चुअली यहाँ पे मूला की बरसात हो रही है और जो लोग स्टेज पे हमें ज्वाइन करेंगे उनके लाइफ में वो अलग लेवल का कुबेर लेके घूम रहे हैं. इट हैज़ प्रॉबेबली लेस टू डू विद मनी पर से एंड मोर टू डू उनका हुनर. तो इससे पहले कि मैं आपसे कुछ भी कहूँ और क्योंकि आप बहुत उत्सुक थे उनसे मिलने के लिए आई रिक्वेस्ट द टीम कुबेर टू पुट दिस डाउन ताकि हम वो चीज़ें देखें जो थोड़ी थोड़ी झलकी के बाद उस गाने के साथ आपको मिलाऊंगी जिसके लिए आज हम यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हैं. Are we ready, ladies and gentlemen? Make some noise for Kubera! Most loving, humble superstar you will ever meet. Rashmika, may I please invite you on stage as we do the opening of Kubera with this beauty, because no Kubera is complete without Lakshmi herself. Please, may I call you on stage? Rashmika Mandana, make some noise.
You liked, we'll speak in full butler English today.
No crimer, no timer, whatever.
No crimer, no timer, no waste timer.
Ayo!
You'll only have to complete it, ma'am.
Rashmika, I have no words for the exuberance that you bring on screen, despite being as simple as you are. एक इंसान मुझे बताओ जो आपके प्यार में नहीं है. Does everyone love Rashmika? So here's the question.
जी बोलिए.
आपने सब सुपरस्टार्स और यहाँ तो सुपर डुपर स्टार्स के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम इन पे आए, एक कैरेक्टर आपके जैसे इतनी वैरायटी करने वाले को कॉल आउट करता है. And this seems very different. And this seems a very different side of Shekhar as well. तो क्या था वो जिसके वजह से आपने हाँ कहा?
पहले तो हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक? ऑल गुड? चलो ठीक है. हाँ? தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா? இங்க வந்து தமிழ்ல பேசுனேன்னா the Hindi media will be like, what? We don't understand anything. So, okay, va ungalku. Looks like there's a lot of Tamil crowd we have.
You can go part. It's all good.
Okay. Why don't we just speak in English so that it's easier for me?
Ji.
Okay, va. So, what was your question again?
What was the character in this movie that attracted you कि मैं इसको करना चाहती हूँ?
I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir and I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. Like we have this entire, like we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. So,
but there's something very different about your character. Let's be honest.
See, some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be Maharani Yesubai, and some days you have to be her.
So, without giving away too much,
जी,
क्या हमने आपको पहले इस अवतार में देखा है जो आप दिखाने वाली है character wise?
नहीं. I think, you know, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors, and that is the beauty of it kyunki like directors, each directors have their own flavor, so isliye I'll, you know, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters. And she is extremely different. She is as in I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character.
But there is one thing that is not different,
Ji.
is your streak to work with the best of best. We have two heavyweights here we love. and the kind of body of work that they've brought in. What is this special connect? Let's start with Nagarjun sir, for you. Maybe a memory, a core memory, and now being his co-star.
I love Nag sir. This is the second time I've gotten this opportunity to work with Nag sir, and every time I spend this little time that I get with him, it's just, I'm so fascinated by how he just is. You know, he's effortless, he's just being him.
Smiling the most when your song was going on. I was watching him. He enjoyed every moment of your antics.
You know, I was just telling Sir that Sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film. But the second Sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is done. I am happy. I am happy with this, you know. So that was really special.
मैं सबको बोल रही हूँ, सबके अंदर एक कुबेर है. I think धनुष सर के अंदर जो कुबेर है वो versatility का है. You can never recognize him. You're like, who is this person? We don't know him.
See, Sir is like, he does everything under the sun in the most effortless way, and he will be the Kubera of everything he does, and he will make all of us want to work 10, 12, 100 times extra to be at least like 10% as good as him. है ना sir? Yeah, sir.
Because we have limited time with sir, वो actually shoot के बीच से आए हैं, and everyone here is, for them, every minute is money and Kubera. I'm going to take the opportunity to invite everyone on stage. As we know, we don't have. By the way, ये गाना जो आपने रश्मिका का देखा, वो आज शाम को YouTube पे release होगा, and you'll have it on Aditya Music. And so we
Also,
have from Aditya Music, Aditya with us.
If I just may add something, आप सबने ये गाना देखा ना? दो बार, हाँ, of course. But what I wanted to say about this Ghana is that we generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs, you have male perspective on songs, but this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Whoa.
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
100%. With those kind of lyrics, watch out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Pakka, you have to.
May I?
Now I'm going to stop.
No, stay with us. Yes, Aditya ji, please join us on stage. Thank you for Aditya Music for having the music. Beautiful by DSP. Music बहुत बढ़िया है, guys. Make some noise. That makes the movie, yeah? We have the producer, Sunil Larang ji की तरफ से Janvi. Please come up on stage. Puskar Ram Mohan Rao ji. Co-producers, Mugafi se Manish Vashisht. And the founder and co-producer, Vipul Agarwal ji. Please join us on stage. Somebody who is the Kuber of eloquence. Probably one of the most well-spoken gentlemen who can probably be the spokesperson for this country. Dalip Tahil ji, please come up on stage. He had no clue I was talking about him, I think. And agar Swerve की बात करें, तो इन पे जब पहली नजर पड़ी, we all knew we had a Kuber of talent. Jim Sarab, ladies and gentlemen, Jim, looking stunning. In his dhoti. I think इस stage में ना जगह नहीं है, मैं थोड़ा नीचे आ जाती हूँ. All right? And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Kubera of charm, the Kubera of simplicity. Somebody said very well, the Arjuna of cinema itself. Nagarjuna sir, please. And may I add, you're looking so handsome. Woo! Some more noise, that's legacy on stage. इनको कोई इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत है? आई थिंक मेरा सौभाग्य है क्योंकि धनुष सर का बर्थडे मेरी माँ के साथ आता है और मुझे इनमें सिनेमा पूरी नजर आती है क्योंकि अगर सिंप्लिसिटी, वर्सेटैलिटी और स्टारडम तीनों एक इंसान में है तो वो आप में है. सर प्लीज जॉइन अस ऑन स्टेज. धनुष सर. डार्लिंग फैंस, थोड़ी सी शांति. ये जब हम लोग इतने बड़े स्टार में एक शाइनेस देखते हैं तो अलग फीलिंग आती है. May I please request the mic to be given to Dhanush sir since he's actually taken a break and come here. Sir, आपसे क्या पूछूं? Yes, please. I'd encourage you to speak to them. They are here for you. I'll ask the question on their behalf.
ஓம் நம சிவாய.
Woo!
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் எவ்ரிபடி. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களெல்லாம் பார்த்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்காக இங்கே வந்திருக்கீங்க. எப்படி நன்றி சொல்கிறேனே தெரில. ரொம்ப நன்றி, வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. My sincere thanks to I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English, little bit that too. Kindly adjust.
So the question, and you looking there, is Kubera ko हाँ बोलने के लिए, to say yes to a project like this, especially when Shekhar ji has come with something so different. What made you say yes?
Kubera is a very, very different film, very special film. This is not just another film or just another event. This is a very, very special film. Very close to my heart. I'm sure they agree with me. We had such fantastic experience shooting for this film, and some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage
guards.
trucks and stuff. And but you know, every experience teaches you something or the other, and we're very happy. We worked with such a brilliant team, such a positive team. You generally don't get to see me often. I don't come out often, but this film, I think, deserves to be promoted like this. It's a very special film.
आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में a little bit, because we can see what you're doing and what you're going through, and it's giving us some pangs and pain. Please tell us, कुछ भी.
I play a beggar. Yeah.
Ah,
I did a lot of research, homework. I stood in the sun. All those are lies. I didn't do anything. So I just went there. I just had to follow my director. Shekhar sir was brilliant. He taught me like the nuances, what to do, how to do, the slang. So he made life very easy for me. It's a very different film, very different character from what I've played before. So I really enjoyed the challenge. I really enjoyed working in this film.
आपने शेखर जी को white angel बुलाया है, white-hearted angel from heaven. Can you tell us a little bit about him? You know, because he's not here, Raj. So.
That pretty much describes everything I feel. Shekhar sir is a fantastic human being. You will not meet a person like him. So clean, so pure, and such a good-hearted man. I mean, you know, you make a lot of films, you do a lot of films, you meet a lot of people, but it's when you meet like somebody like Shekhar Kamula is when you feel, you know, the travel is worth it. So it's because of this man I did this film. He narrated me just 20 minutes. I loved his energy. I loved his positivity, his approach, his honesty towards making his films or as a human being. So Shekhar is a great person, yes.
You know, during the making of a movie, कुछ moments आपके साथ forever रह जाते हैं, and you can't let go of
Yeah,
them.
me and Rashmika shot in a dump yard for about 7 hours. And Rashmika was fine. And I was, Rashmika, what is this? And Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. So many things like that. But it was not like. I read so many things that said it was a big challenge. We were there wearing masks and without masks, or we were there for 10. It was not that big a deal, actually. It was fine. But to see another part of the world, a side which you are not exposed to, you're always in your comfort zone where you're really comfortable, like you do only what's convenient, you know, you're protected. At least some of us are very protected. But I come from there. I come from very humble, rooted beginnings. Today I'm here by God's grace. I've seen that. To go back there, to see that world again, it was very enlightening, and nostalgic. I'm very thankful to this film for so many reasons, but taking me back to my childhood as well is one of that.
Biggest gift. Let's clap to that journey. 2 decades. Dhanush, 2 decades in the industry और आप कभी typecast नहीं हुए हो, and that in itself is a very big achievement. So here's my last question. How do you not manage to be this typecasted person? और ये बहरूपिया और ये वो जो इच्छाधारी नागिन कैसे अपना रूप बदलती है? आप अपना रूप बदलते रहते हो. What is this? You have changed your characters so smoothly. We never get to know how do you do it.
See, I'm just like a processor, computers. I don't do much of the hard work. You need data, right? My directors feed me the data. Most of the work, they do it. I just process it. I'm just a processor. All credits to the filmmakers I've worked with.
Thank you. That's humility for you. Dhanush, आप राजा हैं दिलों के. आपने break लिया है आपके shoot से. Thank you so much for joining us for Kubera. We believe we have to let you go, I know. So here's your audience giving some love as he says goodbye to us. Come on, everyone. Kubera.
ரொம்ப நன்றி. ஜூன் 20ஆம் தேதி படம் பாருங்க. கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்குலாம் பிடிக்கும்னு நம்புறேன். Thank you. Love you. Love you all. Love you.
Woo! Thank you, sir. Thank you. As he says, oh, can we have a picture with the team? Yes. Dhanush, sir. One quick picture with the cast. Quick picture with the cast. Everybody, yeah? Everybody, I would like you all to huddle up as we want the picture with the cast. And we'd like a solo once we're done for Dhanush, sir. I think Dhanush sir आज हमारे लिए fast करके आए हैं. Lunch break के time पे यहाँ पे he's joined us. We're very, very fortunate.
My sincere apologies to the press and media. I have to run. I've come from work and I have to run back to work. Thank you so much. Jaldi milenge.
Goodness, goodness, goodness. That goodness is what sets him apart. I want to come to Nagarjun sir, but in just a bit. Shall we continue, everyone? I want to request a sound to increase the sound for even Naga, sir. Yes.
Hi.
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 Hi. As charming as ever you are.
Thank you.
And looking dapper. Mera pehla sawal is no matter how much stardom, no matter how much success, love that you see from your fans and audience, I would like you to answer to the media. How does Naga sir stay connected, stay rooted, and stay one with his audience, with Janta? Please.
Okay, ముందు అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎల్లరికం వనక్కం. సబ్కు నమస్కార్. ఎల్లరికూ నమస్కార. How are you guys doing? All good. Thank you for the love and affection always. Whenever I come here, it's been shown, starting from the airport to the hotel to here. Always so much love and affection. They expect me to become Tufan and do this. Even now on the road, that's fantastic. Right from the beginning of my career, starting from Shiva or Kudagawa, and Criminal, and Zakam, and Angare, and other films. And also all my dub films have been accepted so well here in the North. So I'm so deeply appreciative about it. Gratitude to all of you. And this film, let me just talk about the film then.
Sure.
This film is very, very special to me. It came to me at one point of time where I was wondering what next to do, like you asked. What should I do next? I can't keep doing the same roles over and over again. And Shekhar Kamla, whom I wanted to work with for the last 15 years, he came to me and he said, would you like to do this role? And it was, I didn't even much ask what he was going to offer me. I said yes, because I know I've seen Shekhar Kamla's earlier films. He's a brilliant filmmaker, so real, his sensibilities are so true. And like Dhanush said, his heart is so pure, and that comes across to the screen, to his script. So that is one of the reasons I always wanted to be in his films. And when he accepted, and then when I accepted, then the star cast came, and it was brilliant. It was all so very good. And then I got to play with the great Jim Saurabh. It was outstanding playing with him. My God, this man is impossible. I mean, he put me on my toes, and he was telling Telugu dialogues even better than me. You know, this man is so incredible. And Dalip Saab, we've known him for so long. I've known him for such a long time. It was great to work with him. And this girl, you know, this girl is one powerhouse of talent. Come on, you see her, filmography in the last 3 years? This is just outstanding. None of us are 2,000, 3,000 crore guys. This is the one. This is the one who's beat all of us.
That defines a true gentleman who is actually celebrating the lady in the house. Nagarjun sir, this is what we love about you.
So it's Rashmika, it was such a pleasure. I worked with you before, but this time after I saw the dubbing, when I saw the film, I just had to call you. I called you straight from the dubbing theater. She's brilliant in the film. She's going to make all of you laugh. Going to make you laugh so much. She's just so brilliant. She's spontaneous. There's something so nice about her. And Rashmika, I thank you for being in the film. And everybody else, whoever, there were 4 or 5 4 newcomers who were in the film who are not here. They were just brilliant. I thought, they told me they were all newcomers. And they picked them up. They were just outstanding. And leaving this aside, DSP, my favorite, one of my favorite music directors, what music is given for the film, the background score, the songs, though we are not lipping them, they just lift the film up completely. And I thank DSP. And right now I saw that Pippi Pippi Dum Dum song. When Rashmika said, is it good? I said, how can you forget Pippi Pippi Dum Dum? You cannot forget that.
Since you spoke about the music, and we have Aditya ji who wants to speak a lot with us, actually, I believe. Yeah. Just kidding. Sir, एक line में बता दीजिए, because DSP का music, and DSP himself is an industry, आपके लिए music कितना अलग रहा? एक ही line में कुछ भी बोलिए, sir. Aditya Music से Aditya.
Yeah, obviously, it's a big project for us. It's a big project for Aditya Music. We are glad to be part of this. Nag sir, we're happy to work with you once again.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you everyone to be part of this event. Wishing all the best. And this will be another blockbuster from South.
All right. So I also have to speak of my co-star Dhanush. Dhanush was just brilliant in the film. Like you have said, I don't know what he is yesterday. I don't know what he's going to be tomorrow. But that's the way he changes himself. And on the sets, he was completely into his character. Unbelievable how he gets into it. And hats off to Dhanush. I'm so glad to be working with him, and also the producers and everybody. And thank you for so much love. Thank you for all the affection.
We're not letting you go.
All
You
right.
have to stay with us. There's lots of questions for you. But because we have everyone, I want you to stick around because you are our core right now. I'm going to come to Jim since you mentioned him. Jim, you've got Nag sir in love with your craft. That's
Good
huge.
afternoon, everybody.
Ooh.
Most of my scenes actually were with Naksa, and I loved it. He made me feel so comfortable and relaxed on set. He made me feel like, I was saying all my lines in Telugu, which I do not usually speak. So, and I was with one of the.
मुश्किल था जिन?
Huh?
मुश्किल था?
To learn the lines? Yes, definitely. I had to really rattle them.
कुछ याद है?
Huh?
कुछ याद है?
No. I don't want to give anything away. But yes. And Nagsa made me feel so comfortable, so relaxed, and I knew I was with such an enormous and talented star, and he never made me feel that at all. He made me feel like he was just another player in the scene, and we needed to do the scene as best as could possibly done. So thank you so much, honestly. Thank you.
That's a fanboy moment. What is the different take from when you do a film like this? Because it's huge and yet it has its heartland in a very simple way. What was different for you playing this role and being a part of this magnanimous team?
Well, it always felt like an enormous film right from the beginning. When I got the what's it called? Where they tell you narration. When I got the narration from the team and Shekhar Kamula sir, then he pretty much said to me, "This is an author-backed role. You just do it." I was like, "Okay, all right, I'll do it."
Was it a challenge for you? Because you get into the skin of the character, like he said beautifully.
Well, the challenge, of course, was learning the lines because I don't speak Telugu, so that took a lot of time and effort. And I don't like the idea of saying a sentence where I don't know what each individual word means. So there was a lot of time spent there, doing a transcription, what each word meant, because it's not the same, right? In English, it can be like, how many are there? Whereas in Telugu, it would be like, many are there how? Something. So where do you put the how? At the end of the sentence, at the top of the sentence, So that took some time and some effort.
I'm going to ask you to pass that mic to Dalip ji, who seems to be like, he's gotten a new lease with this one. Dalip sir, we've been a huge fan. You're fantastic when it comes to your
Thank you.
speech.
Thank you.
Is there one?
Second time playing my father as well.
Woo! There is some.
That's a huge privilege.
There is some uncanny resemblance beyond just the.
But
fact
I'm a
that-
little confused now which language to speak in. तो अगर आपको हिंदुस्तानी समझ में आती तो मैं हिंदुस्तानी में बोलूँगा या अंग्रेजी में बोलूँगा जैसे आपकी मर्जी.
Dalip sir, mix it all, I would
तो
say.
अंग्रेजी में ही बोलता हूँ मैं. हिंदी में बोलूँ, ठीक है. देखिए ये पिक्चर मेरे लिए बहुत ख़ास पिक्चर है और मेरी पहली बार है जो मैं शेखर कमूला साहब के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ. जब उन्होंने मेरी कहानी सुनाई तो बहुत पसंद आया मुझे और उससे बड़ी बात क्या है कि मुझे नाग जी, रश्मिका, धनुष जी, जिम और इतने अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला. तो मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं इस फिल्म में हूँ. मैं अपने प्रोड्यूसर जानवी को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा और बाकी जो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर साहब यहाँ खड़े हैं. और मेरी विनती है कि आप लोग इस पिक्चर को देखें क्योंकि हर भाषा में है तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी, चाहे आप तेलुगु बोलते हैं या तमिल बोलते हैं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका यहाँ आने का. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. एंड आई विश द फिल्म एवरी सक्सेस.
Dalip sir, in this
there's a
beautiful
question.
journey for over the years that you've had, is there a moment in this film that you will carry with you forever?
Yeah, I will, because the moment for me was to meet this wonderful gentleman, Nag, again, Mr. Nagarjun, after many years. I met him, I'll give it away, almost about 30 years ago. I met Mr. Nagarjun, and when I saw him on the set, he hasn't aged even one day. I was like, ये कौन जवान आदमी कौन आ गया यार, ये तो नाग जैसे लगता है, लेकिन था ही वो. It's been a huge pleasure to be with this wonderful star cast. Thank you.
Would you please give him the mic and let's ask
Yes,
him
of course.
कैसे हैं ये ageless, the #1 star of South? How have you managed to stay this fit and ageless? How, sir? We can't give away some trade secrets, I believe there. Is it?
I'll just be, it's just a joke. Don't take it seriously. Okay, it's just that everybody around me aged. I stayed.
But is it a state of mind? Because I saw you, sir. I have not seen many superstars of your stature to be in the moment and enjoy something so heartfully. It was beautiful to see that smile when we were watching Rashmika's song. Can we clap to that childlike quality जो हम सब पीछे छोड़ जाते हैं? Yes. Do you have a tip for us, sir? Everybody, you know, these things go viral. Fitness, being ageless.
No tips, please. Everybody be what they want and they'll be fine.
How lovely. Rashmika, can we have you take that mic
Yes,
and
ma'am.
tell the audience here, your fans here, कि आप एक नंबर 1 स्टार के बगल में खड़े हो, खुद भी बहुत नंबर 1 उन्होंने कहा है 3 साल में जो आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी रही है शायद इनकी भी नहीं रही है. तो for being part of Kubera, the high point for you as an actor क्या था?
High point for me as an actor. Being in the dump yard for like 6 hours. The high point of me as an actor in Kubera. Because actually, ma'am, it, as in like Dhanu sir said, it has somehow like gotten us back to our roots. It was like an eye opener, you know, this film in a way. But also getting this privilege to work in this film, work with this character, and also Shekhar Kamala sir has a way of always getting their actors to real locations. They don't like put up a set and all of that. So we were actually like doing, I don't know if I can say this, but gorilla shoots.
Yeah.
Can we? Okay, I got. Yeah, now it's done. So, you know, you guys, I'm sure you guys are aware of what gorilla shoot is. So we were holding the camera and running around like the whole day, and we were like, okay, get into the car. Okay, get out of the car. Now we got to get this shot. And we didn't even see the monitor. We didn't even know what we were going for. But the master of it all was Shekhar sir. And getting to work with him, I think all of us have really like given it in for this film. So I hope you guys really like it.
Bless you and thank you for that story. I have a quick question from Entertainment of India. Shravan wants to ask you this, Rashmika. Ki you've played such emotionally rich characters before, but in Kubera, where emotions meet ambition and greed, what part of the role left a mark on you?
I think honestly, you haven't seen much of this character yet, because there's a lot more. As in, so far we've seen one teaser and this song, and this song is also like she going a little off, you know, the story just to have a little bit of her life and her fun. But the story, you still don't know anything about this character, and you will be in fact surprised tomorrow when you watch it. And I think I'm waiting for that moment.
The trailer to be out?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the question. I don't think you need to do this, but somebody still wants to know. Did you ever feel like manifesting some Kubera energy for your bank balance too?
Oh. Listen, guys, the reality is you will be shocked. Every day I do manifest, but it doesn't come true. I'm kidding. I'm happy. I'm happy where I am. I'm really grateful where I am. And thank you for all your love, because of you, I am where I am today. And thank you. And mwah. That's all.
That love you give us on Instagram, and we take it with all our might. Thank you for those beautifully inspirational positivity ka bhandar wale videos. Being #1 actress, do you want to say something to everyone who is being toying you and saying this is the #1 actor in a really long time of your kind of art?
Ma'am, the way you're saying it, no, I'm feeling a lot of pressure right now. Like, I'm like, should I give like very inspirational answer or motivational answer? I don't know. But thank you for saying that, sir. Wait.
We're all waiting.
Sorry. No, thank you for saying that. But I feel like I honestly have just started, because I don't know what this whole #1 situation is, because we're doing films in the South, we're doing films in Bollywood.
Yeah.
So I don't know what this race is about, but I know for sure that I'm just starting.
One more question by
Again?
Bartaman.
I think
I will give it to sir as well. Debaprati Bhattacharya wants to ask you, after the huge success of pan-India movies like Pushpa, Animal. You are the pan-India queen. Let's make some noise for that, yeah? What
Thank you.
is your
Whoever said
take
that.
on pan-India movies? And also, what is your biggest takeaway from this movie?
Am I I think we should actually have this point where all of you guys are answering. You know, I think it'll be a cool mix-up. है ना? Huh?
We love you.
What? I didn't hear. Say it again,
Say
na.
love you.
Be nice.
They're always nice to you because you're so nice to them.
No, but this film, sir. Sir?
Twinkle, twinkle, superstar, bol rahe hain wo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're too special. Thank
That's
you.
Chaitanya sir who was telling me earlier on, Naga sir, that your son's name. Okay, we'll come to you, Naga sir. This one's from a journalist called Benson Philip from Lokmat. Benson, are you here? Aapka character in Kubera is a wealthy man grappling with deep internal struggles despite his outward success. How did you approach adding depth to such a complex role, and your key message that you'd like to give to the audience through this journey?
I think somebody got it completely wrong. Okay. No,
So
no.
you
But I
want-
definitely don't want to reveal what I am in the film also.
Ah.
Yeah. But
So we'll keep that a secret, sir.
yeah.
We'll move on to the next question. Smita ji from Dainik Jagran. जब भी साउथ सिनेमा की बात होती है, you are one star, the rooted star of the cinema, who's always stayed connected with grassroots. How important is that for an actor, sir?
So here we bring the North Star and the South Star again. So anyway, but let me thank the audience from the north of Vindhyas. I thank you very much for accepting the films which are coming from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Cochin, all of. I'm so very happy you're seeing all the films that are being made in India. Just like we have been seeing all the films that have been made in India for a long time. I'm so happy you're seeing all of them, and you're also appreciating our films. God bless and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I think it's all connected. We are all are aware. Is there something you'd like to tell all your fans? This is not a very common moment for me as a fan, as a presenter, and for your fans and media here. कोई आप message देना चाहेंगे, नाग sir?
Somebody's.
कोई
want me to
message? हाँ.
Some message? Message to my fans. Keep watching my films.
Yeah.
What else can I say? Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for watching our films.
Okay, I'm going to move on to Jim. Here are some media questions for you. This is Samina Sheikh from Zoom saying कि regional cinema एक pan-Indian movie बन चुकी है अभी ये वाली. Expectations are also on the rise when one sees the growth of an actor. What will be unique about you in this film?
Again, Pan India? Who? This one?
Sorry, Nag sir. I'm so sorry.
Sorry, can you ask it again, please?
What is the unique thing about you being part of a pan-India film? This is your growth as well as an actor, right?
Yeah, sure. No, I love having, I love being in a South film now, especially with Shekhar Kamula at the head and such incredible producers and a really stacked cast. I mean, what more can you ask for your first South film? And it's going to be dubbed in all, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi. It's going to have a pan-Indian release. I think this is more or less the future of Indian cinema, is it being
Wow.
pan-Indian as much as possible.
Love that answer. Filmy Beat से अभिषेक पूछना चाहते हैं. We know you want to be a part of this movie for the great makers, the lovely co-actors. But if there was one approach that attracted you to this character, वो क्या था? Filmy Beat, Abhishek.
Approach that attracted me to the character. Well, I think I wasn't. I think I'm attracted to the story and the fact that it is a parable, a class struggle parable. That is what is the most attractive to me. I believe it is really important to tell this kind of a story and to remember what true wealth is.
Thank you. Sorry about that. No. Just one last question to Nag sir before we leave. Everybody, should we? आपको याद है वो गाना तुम मिले दिल खिले? आपको याद है? Nag sir, you've done some phenomenal films in Hindi, and we want to see you come back there. You still have that charm. You still have that presence. You still have that heart. When do we see you?
What do you mean I still have that charm?
It never left you, did it? And it just says, when
Just
are you
wanted to
going,
correct that.
when are you going to come back and show us
Yes,
a bit of that
of
magic?
course. No, all these films, these are all meant to be Hindi films. After this, I have another film called Coolie that is also going to be releasing in Hindi. And I have been working in Hindi films for so long. And especially, I think I've worked in more of my South dubbed films into Hindi, which were appreciated quite a bit up here. And that's what they talk about. And now in the mainstream too. So it's fantastic. I never felt this difference. I never felt it. Never
Neither
felt
did
it.
we. We just want to see you back romancing the way you did back
I'm
then.
here. When did I say I left? I'm always here.
Thank you. For the co-producers, would you like to say something? Kubera is special to all the actors, to all the cast. Sir, would you like to say something? Everybody, this is the last bit of it, please.
So on behalf of the producer, let me tell you, there's a lot of discussion that has happened here about Pan India and the wonderful things that all the actors have spoken.
Yes.
Sekhar sir, whose vision has been backed by Ram Mohan ji, who's sitting here. Sunil Narang sir, who's in Hyderabad. So the vision, what people keep saying as Pan India, is now going to the next level. It is primarily because of the vision of the producers. I would again like to call Ram Mohan ji here. You know, so on his behalf, I'm saying that Sri Venkateshwar Cinema is going to be a game changer for the coming time also in terms of what a pan-India film should look like. Adding that to Mugafi's founder here, who's Mr. Vipul Agarwal,
Thanks,
presenting the film in Hindi. And Vipul, you would like to say a couple of things about Mugafi?
Hi everyone. So 5 years before we started Mugafi with the idea that we are a land of storytelling. We are a land where Ramayana, Mahabharata and whatnot comes from. So why we are not going global? Why we are not just making it pan-India or a South-North thing? Why we are not thinking about launching something globally? So this is not a pan-India thing. This is not a South or North. This is a global movie. This have to do well, not just in India, but across. And at Mugafi, when we all talk about story, there cannot be a better story we can start at. With such a great star cast, with such a great story, I think we are just starting, and you're going to see a lot of great story, not just going to travel pan-India, but globally from here is, I think, what we think about.
20 June कुबेरा जैसे आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे पैसों की बारिश हो रही है, ऐसे ही सारे ऑडियंस बारिश कीजिए इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट पे. We want to see Kubera. Yeah? Can we please have all of you come upstage? Thank you very much for your presence, for your कीमती वक्त. Just everybody here is very keen to hear Ram Mohan sir saying thank you, or 2 words from you, sir.
Right, thank you for all of you, boss, coming over here and making this event a such a big success. Thank you once again. We'll be meeting you once again at a success meet in Bombay. Thank you.
That's Kubera, 20th June. All of us, like I said, it's pe Kubera barsayenge. We'll make it a roaring success. Cinema is pan-India, and that is true cinema in our country. Can we have only the star cast? May I please request Nag sir, Rashmika, Dalip ji, Jim ji, आप सब यहाँ पे आगे आ जाइए. We'd like the cast. only the cast for a picture. भाई इतने इंस्ट्रक्शंस दोगे तो क्या समझेंगे? भाई साहब, ये अलग डायरेक्शन चलती है मीडिया की.
We need